Very good morning and warm welcome to another episode of A Pulse to A Plus, the education channel. Today we are going to discuss on 5th standard chapter, area. Come on, let's see the activity.
Dear students, ours is a different subject today, area. What is meant by area? Simply we can say space or place, etc. But in mathematics, what is meant by area? Let's look. Here we can see Jose and Rahim have 16 matchsticks each. They have been given 16 matchsticks. So using these matchsticks, they have made rectangles. See, first one is Jose, second one is Rahim's. See which is bigger, that we have to find out. Now let's see, some more students have been made like this. Can you find out which is big? So let's do one thing. Here we can see first one is Jose. Here it has been divided into different squares using some more matches. Here how many squares have been given? See, 7 squares have been given. Now let's come to the Rahim's. Here it has been divided by masses into 12. Then we can see which is bigger. See, Rahim's is bigger. That's all. Now let's come to the next activity here. Now let's have another activity here. See, here 3 rectangles are given. The first one is an orange one. Let's begin with the first one here. See, the length of which is 5. Then breadth is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now come on to the next one. Here we enter 1. See, the entire rectangle is divided into 20. See, each of them are squares. Then first row we can see lengthwise 5 squares. Then likewise 4 lines are here. Now altogether we got 20 squares. Now come on to the next one. Here lengthwise and breadthwise is given squares. Lengthwise the number of square is 5, breadthwise it is 4. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. The number of total square is 20 also. So from this example we can understand that area is the result of the multiplication of length and breadth. Once more, area is equal to length into breadth. Okay, we know the unit of length and breadth etc. are in centimeter, meter or foot. Likewise, the unit of area is square meter or square centimeter or square foot etc. Now let's come to the next one. Here we can see another picture. See how many squares are here. The length of this rectangle is 4, breadth is 3, so we can see 12 squares here. That is 4 into 3 is equal to 12 square centimeter. Now we can come here. We are going to find out another measurement of this rectangle. See, that is known as perimeter. What is perimeter? See, here the length is 4, here the breadth is 3, here the length is 4 again, here comes the breadth once more 3. The total length of this edge or side is called perimeter. Then what will be the result? 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus and 3 again. What is 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 14 will be the answer. Let's look here. It is extended like this. 4 here length, then breadth 4, second length is 4 again, and second breadth 3 again. Altogether is, how can we see? Here we can see perimeter is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, or we can say like, see, we can see perimeter is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth, or we can say length plus breadth into 2. So it can be termed as all these three formulas. Now let's come to the next one, our activity. Now here is the worksheet for you. Let's go through the instructions first. Don't you know how to find out area and perimeter? If we get length and width, how can we solve the problems? Suppose we got any of these two, the remaining data also can be found out. How? Check your performance also. Try your level best. Okay, that's all about the instructions. Now let's go here. It is only E is given because we haven't done nothing here. So first of all, we can go, the first question is here, first task is here. Here length and breadth is given, so we have to find out perimeter and area here. So first of all, we can go through the perimeter. See how to find out perimeter. In order to find out perimeter, we have to add length and breadth and to multiply with 2. Length and breadth, 10 plus 8 it is equal to 18 into 2 is equal to 36 is added here. Now we have been asked area. In order to find out area, what's the formula for this? L into B. Length is 10 into 8 is equal to 80 is the answer. We enter here. You see, correct. Now suppose you don't know the answer, perimeter you don't know, so you have an option to give here C. You just type here he, then you see the formula is given here. P is equal to 2 L plus B. P is equal to perimeter, L is equal to length, B is equal to breadth. So such a formula will be there. Now we go back. Suppose you don't know area, then there also you type C. So B is equal to L into B, not B here. Here A is equal to L into B is the formula is given there. Using this formula you can do the answer. So the help is available for each questions, so we can come here and enter the answer here also once more. Here what was our answer? 80 is given here. Now we can see correct here. Now we are coming to the next one. Here is a square, so one side is to be added. All sides are equal as far as a square is concerned. So here the side is 6, so what will be the perimeter? 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. For 4 6s is equal to 24 is the answer. Now we are coming to the area. Area means length into breadth. Length and breadth are equal, so 6 into 6 is equal to 36 is the answer. So that's also correct. Now we are coming to the third one. Here the data given are, you see, length is given and here the area is also given. So we have to find out breadth and perimeter. So we know area is the result of length and breadth multiplication. Now we have to divide area with length, then we will get breadth. 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8 is equal to 6. We add 6 here. See, now perimeter is asked. Now 8 plus 6 is equal to 14 into 2 is equal to 28. Now you see correct. Now last one is we haven't given any. Now let's enter any. Here to enter we can enter here 5. 5 is the breadth, and suppose 40 is the area. Then we have to find out first length, that is area divided by breadth is equal to length. 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. We have to enter 8 here. See, now perimeter 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 into 2 is equal to 26, that we add here. So all are correct. We have got A grade, 4 marks and 4 stars. See, congratulations is given here. That's all about this one. Suppose here we don't know the answers. I have told you to find out answer. We can get clues from here. You go on by entering this. Here you can play this game between two. First to enter the white cells with one opponent and the other has to answer them, then vice versa. That's the method of playing this game. Go on.
We are going to wind up the session today. Hope that it was useful. If so, like, share and subscribe. We can see you with another session next time. Till then, goodbye. Thank you for watching.